Our topic for today is how to derive the distance formula for the distance between 2 points in a Cartesian plane. So we have here uh, our first point P1 with coordinates x1, y1, and P2 with coordinates x2, y2. And if we are going to get the distance here, this line segment from P1 to P2, we are going to construct this distance from the y-axis, the distance from the y-axis to x sub 2 here. This line segment here is the distance is x2. Then the small line from the y-axis to P1 is x1. Then if we are going to also we are going to have the vertical line segment from the x-axis to P2, this one. Then if we cut this line segment from the y-axis to P1, we cut this line from the y-axis to P1, we actually subtract x2 minus n from vertical distance from the vertical line segment from the y-axis to P2. We have this y2. The length of this is y2. The short distance from y1 to the x-axis is y1, and if you cut this line, you actually subtract y2 minus y1. So if we call this distance here from P1 to P2 as d, we have now a right triangle with d as the hypotenuse, and the shorter legs are x2 minus x1 and y2 minus y1. Using the Pythagorean theorem, we can have the distance as d equals the square root of quantity x2 minus x1 squared plus quantity y2 minus y1 squared. That's how distance between 2 points in a Cartesian plane is derived.